Bitch, I do rich shit, my money thick, ayy. Walk with a limp, I'm on some pimp shit, ayy. Can't say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit, I'm in my
What is up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl naytripppy, and I'm back at it again with another video. So yeah, y'all, I'm coming with my hair already wrapped up. As y'all can tell from the title, I will be going ahead and detoxing my hair today. I did just take them out of some braids, so I need to, you know, really cleanse and like reset my hair. So I will be going ahead and using that bentonite clay on my hair. This is what it looks like. This is the Aztec Indian healing clay. It is 100% calcium bentonite clay, as well as apple cider vinegar. Now you can go ahead and mix this with water, but I feel like you don't get the best results if you use water. That's why I use apple cider vinegar. This works really good on my skin, and I've never used it on my hair, so I'm excited to use it. I am coming with very dirty hair. I did go ahead and get in the shower just to damp my hair up a little bit, but other than that, my hair is not clean. It is pretty dirty. So this Aztec healing clay will go ahead and strip all of that. So if you guys are interested in seeing how the bentonite clay works on my hair and my curl pattern, just make sure to keep on watching. Make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you are new, and make sure to hit that bell notification as well, so you're notified every single time that I upload a video. So yeah, let's get into the video. For the people who don't know what bentonite clay is, or like what it does and why is it so good for you and yada yada yada, I do have right here, I'm trying to find it. So I'm going to give you guys all of the benefits of the Aztec healing clay. Some of the benefits is that it draws out impurities from hair and scalp, so it is going to cleanse and clean your hair strands and your scalp. And obviously, to get length and to get growth, you have to have a healthy scalp. The bentonite clay kills bacteria, viruses, and fungus from the scalp and hair. It's perfect to use if you have dandruff or scalp fungus. It also defines your curls, it enhances shine, and it softens and conditions your hair. So I mean, this got a lot of good benefits, y'all. So I'm excited to see how this is going to do on my hair, especially because I did just take out some really old braids. If you guys want to see the braids that I did just take out, make sure to go ahead. I'll leave it up here in the somewhere. I want to say up here or right here. It's going to be up there, and I'll also have it linked in the description box below as well. I have just a Tupperware bowl that's plastic and a plastic spoon. You do not want to use any metal with this bentonite clay because it will deactivate all of the good stuff that's in here, and your hair or your skin really won't benefit from it, so it's kind of like pointless to use it. So just make sure you just use like a wooden spoon, plastic spoon, just nothing metal at all. And I feel like I might end up using the rest of this. So this is what it looks like. It's just dusty, but I'm gonna pour this in here. I'm just gonna eyeball everything and like pour it in. The point of using it on dirty hair, some people do use it on clean hair. I don't, and I don't really think you need to do that, because it's going to pretty much like strip and clean everything. So you already shampooing your hair and then putting this on it, it's kind of like defeating the purpose. This is supposed to cleanse and clean your hair. So I personally would not do it on clean hair because I already have dry hair as it is. So yeah. So now I'm just gonna like pour this in here. Okay, so I got it to the consistency I want. So that's what it looks like. Now I'm gonna take this off. My hair is not sectioned, so I will go ahead and section my hair up. I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair into 4 sections, and then split those sections into subsections. And if y'all see me like looking up, that's because my mirror is like right here in front of me. So like I need to like look in the mirror to make sure. I mean, I can look in the camera to make sure I'm like doing it right, but I just like to look at the mirror.
Seems like ever since the first day we met, there is no one else I think of more than you. Can't seem to forget, can't get you out my head. Here's the verdict, and I'm crazy over you. How can one?
And I'm gonna spray my hair as well, just so it's like not dry, because you do not want to put this on dry hair.
Till my day comes, here's what I'm gonna do.
Check it.
Yeah, sitting up in my room, thinking about you. I must confess, I'm a mess for you. Sitting up in my room, I'm just a mess with a flavor.
Y'all can see like my hair got like damaged a little bit in the back, some heat damage because of my beautician. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use this on my hair, y'all. This oh yeah, I do not like the way this feels though. Like, I don't like the way it feels, but I mean, it is clay, so. Just go ahead and clean it up.
I must confess, I'm a mess for you. Sitting up in my room, can't get a thing about you. I'm just a mess with a thing for you. Sitting up in my room, can't get a thing about you. I must confess, I'm a mess for you. Sitting up in my room, can't get a thing about you. I'm just a mess with a thing for you. Seems like ever since the first day we met, there is no one else I think of more than you. Can't seem to forget, can't get you on my head. Here's the verdict, and I'm crazy over you. How can one be down? Tell me where to start, 'cause every time you smile I feel tremors in my heart. I have one concern, how can I get with you till my day comes? Here's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, sitting up in my room, thinking about you. I must confess, I'm a mess for you. Sitting up in my room, I'm just a mess with a flame for you.
Where it's born, my man D.I.Y, yeah, Randy, indeed, Mr. Smith got the leg, How can one be down? Tell me where to start, 'cause every time you smile
back with the Aztec clay all over my hair, and y'all, it is giving me all the curl definition, like, yes. So I got it all over my forehead, which is fine, it's okay. But as far as everything, I'm just gonna let it stay on my hair until it gets really hard. I'm gonna leave it on for about an hour. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it on for about an hour, and then I will go ahead and rinse this out in the shower. And yeah, that'll be pretty much like the end of this video. But so far, y'all, like, look at the definition. Let me zoom y'all in. Like, can y'all see this curl definition? Like, let me turn around to the back. I don't know what the back looked like, y'all, so hopefully the back looked good. I don't know what it looked like, but yeah, y'all, I'm really loving this curl definition. Yeah, I mean, my hair smells like nasty ass apple cider vinegar, but that's okay. But yeah, you guys, so yeah, I'm just gonna let this sit, and then I'll be back in an hour with my final thoughts on the bentonite clay. All right, you guys, so I am back with my hair deep conditioned. Realistically, I did an overnight deep condition because my hair was like really dry. I did go ahead and deep condition my hair with the Mayo Mint Strengthening Hair Mask. This is what it looks like. There we go. So that is what the this is what the masks look like. It is super thick, like really thick, y'all. It smells good. It smells like mint. It says that it's infused with biotin and encourages growth, which is really good, because that's, you know, everyone's goal is to, you know, grow their hair. I really like this. It was really moisturizing. My hair feels like, it feels okay. It doesn't feel like it's really moisturized. I say that this is good for like using like and keeping on your hair for like maybe an hour or two, not overnight. That's just my opinion, but cause my hair, I feel like just leaving it in overnight, I don't know, I feel like it didn't really do much. But and that's what I do condition my hair with. My hair is in twists. Let me undo one of these twists just so you guys can see. Like, that bentonite clay though, you guys, like, I definitely say add that into your regimen, because that had my curls legit popping, like super defined and like moisturized. I still got a little bit of deep conditioner in my hair, so rinse that out. But other than that, you guys, like, this is what my hair is looking like pretty much like after that bentonite clay. My hair definitely needs a trim, so don't really pay attention to my ends. But oh, okay, now that I undo the twist, my hair feels actually really moisturized. I think it was just, I don't know, maybe just the twist, I don't know, but yeah. So you guys, this is what my hair is looking like. It was super defined, but I did disturb that curl pattern because I did go ahead and deep condition my hair, and I detangled my hair while I deep conditioned it, so that's why it's not so defined. But y'all, when I rinsed that out my hair, my curls, it literally looked like I had gel in my hair as far as like the definition. It was so good, but I did comb it out so I could detangle my hair. But other than that, you guys, this bentonite clay was a 1. I love it, and I definitely recommend it for you guys. I will be continuing this in my regimen about like once a month. to just give my hair like a reboot. But y'all, yes, I love it. So that is pretty much the end of this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions about the bentonite clay and how long I left it in, or you know, things like that, just go ahead and leave those comments and questions down below in the comment section, and I will leave everything that I used in this video down in the description bar for you guys to find it and, you know, possibly buy it if you want to try it out on your hair. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.